Today, we have many good news for you, especially if you're over 40. Aging is inevitable, and with that comes a gradually increasing risk of developing many age-related conditions, including wrinkles and fine lines on the face, digestive issues, sleep problems, obesity, and several others. But don't worry, because if you are over 40, then castor oil might be just what you need. But can something seemingly as ordinary as castor oil be enough to prevent all those health conditions that we just told you about? Let's find out in this video and see how castor oil can transform your health in just 7 days. We'll also tell you how much castor oil to use and how to use castor oil to prevent all the problems we'll mention in this video. Rest assured, the many health benefits of castor oil that we'll tell you about are well researched and backed by science. Let's begin. Number 1. Joint pain relief. You might be surprised to know that castor oil's pain-relieving effects are comparable to diclofenac sodium, a very common painkiller. In fact, during a 2009 study, patients with knee osteoarthritis were either given a castor oil capsule 3 times a day for 4 weeks or a capsule of diclofenac sodium 3 times a day for the same period. After 4 weeks, it was observed that both these medications were significantly effective in treating knee osteoarthritis. But the good thing was that no adverse side effects were observed with castor oil treatment, while drug reactions were high with diclofenac sodium. And not only pain relief, castor oil also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation in your joints, helping you get quick relief from swelling or redness around joints. Castor oil oral supplements are also available, but remember that castor oil supplements might not be suitable for everyone. But you can massage your joints with castor oil, if your skin isn't sensitive to it, of course. If you want to make castor oil more effective, warm 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil in the microwave. Make sure it's warm enough to touch, but not too hot to burn your sensitive skin. Soak a piece of flannel or any other soft cloth in warm castor oil and cover your knee with it. Then cover it with a plastic wrap to help retain heat and prevent staining. Leave it on for about 8 to 10 hours, preferably overnight. We'll also tell you which type of castor oil you should use for joint pain relief and other benefits of castor oil we'll discuss in this video. So stay with us. Number 2. Relieve constipation. Yes, you can use castor oil for constipation relief. Castor oil is a natural stimulant laxative, meaning it stimulates the intestines to push the stools forward. Plus, it works as a lubricant, making it easier for the stools to pass through your intestines. Even better, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help heal the intestines. To use castor oil for constipation relief, you'll need to drink 1 to 2 tablespoons of it. If you find it hard to drink it directly due to its unpleasant taste and smell, don't worry. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of castor oil in a cup of your favorite drink, preferably orange juice, and then drink it. It's better to drink castor oil on an empty stomach for quick and effective relief from constipation. Castor oil works really fast. You should start seeing the results within 2 to 6 hours. Remember, always measure how much castor oil you're drinking, and avoid drinking castor oil too much. 1 to 2 tablespoons are considered safe. The higher the amount, the stronger the laxative effects. You might also notice side effects like abdominal cramps, nausea, and even loose stools and diarrhea at higher doses. So be careful. Avoid taking castor oil more than once per day and no longer than 7 consecutive days. Pay close attention to the side effects of castor oil. Stop taking castor oil if the side effects start getting worse. Pregnant women should avoid drinking castor oil in any form. Being a stimulant, castor oil also stimulates uterine contractions and is often used to induce labor. Number 3. Sleep problems. Getting a good night's sleep often becomes a challenge for people over 40, mainly due to stress, certain medications, and hormonal changes. But castor oil's soothing and calming properties can help you relax and sleep quickly. In fact, castor oil is even used in traditional medicine to treat insomnia. All you need to do is gently rub castor oil on your eyelids before going to bed. To enhance its relaxing and sleep-inducing effects, slightly warm up a tablespoon of castor oil in your hands and massage your forehead and temples with it. Another way is to massage your soles with castor oil. The warmth, the gentle massage, and castor oil's relaxing effects can help relieve stress and feelings of anxiety, making you feel relaxed and helping you fall asleep quickly. Number 4. Improve blood circulation. In older people, blood circulation in the body can be hampered due to high cholesterol levels, heart disease, and a sedentary lifestyle. Legs and feet are often the first to experience poor blood circulation, so you might feel pain, numbness, and probably even swelling in your ankles and feet. Particularly in men, poor blood circulation is often the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction and poor performance in bed. Besides that, poor blood circulation can also make your skin look dry, saggy, or wrinkled because your skin might not be getting enough oxygen and nutrients to stay alive. Massaging your body with castor oil can be one of the most effective ways to improve blood circulation in your body. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which is called omega-9 fatty acid. This is the main component of castor oil that penetrates deeply into the skin, moisturizing it, reducing inflammation if any, and improving blood circulation throughout the body. To use castor oil for whole body massage, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil in a bowl and warm it up in a microwave or stove. Start massaging your feet and work your way up to your forehead. Use firm but gentle pressure and massage in circular motions to help stimulate and improve blood flow. Allow it to absorb into your skin for at least 30 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the better. Number 5. For skin health. Massage your facial skin with castor oil once a day, preferably before bedtime, to allow the oil to penetrate deep into the skin. It will keep your skin moisturized and nourish it with essential fatty acids that can help repair damaged skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It may also be helpful against psoriasis and eczema. You can also use castor oil to heal minor wounds. In fact, Venilex, which is an ointment and is commonly used to cover and help heal wounds, contains a combination of castor oil and balsam of Peru. But be careful not to get the oil in your eyes, and don't apply it to open wounds or burns. Now here comes the most important part. Castor oil is available in mainly 3 forms: regular or expeller-pressed oil, cold-pressed castor oil, and pails-pressed castor oil. Opt for cold-pressed castor oil for constipation relief or oral use in general because it is almost 100% natural and retains more of its aromatic flavor and antioxidants compared to other varieties. But it has a very thick consistency. You can still use it for external use, like massaging different parts of your skin, but due to its thick, dense, and sticky nature, you might find it unpleasant. For that, you can use the regular kind of castor oil, and preferably the pails-pressed castor oil. This one's thinner, free of impurities, and less acidic than other varieties, making it suitable for topical use. For joint pain relief, however, it is better to use cold-pressed castor oil as it is higher in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds than others. Now, let's talk about the side effects of castor oil. First of all, make sure you don't have any skin allergies to castor oil if you're going to use it for external or topical use. You can do that by doing a patch test. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a small patch on your skin. Wait for a few hours at least and see if you feel any irritation or inflammation around the patch where you apply castor oil. Asthma patients should also be careful about using castor oil, as castor oil's smell might trigger asthma symptoms. So, people who have asthma should avoid directly smelling castor oil. Moreover, if you're considering castor oil for constipation, it's really important to understand that castor oil is not recommended for long-term use. It has also been shown to cause laxative dependence, meaning that the intestines become dependent on castor oil for regular bowel movements. Plus, long-term use of castor oil may cause dehydration and prevent the absorption of nutrients by the intestines. To prevent that, ensure that you're eating fiber-rich foods and keep yourself hydrated. Lastly, if you have any chronic condition such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, or chronic kidney disease, talk to your healthcare expert before taking castor oil orally. Castor oil can affect how your body absorbs medications you might be taking for those conditions, so be careful. Check out these videos too.